Okay, I got a quick video today on how to fix this. I don't want to say the brand name and get a copyright strike, but it's extremely common as seen on TV flashlight. Just think, what are they showing all the commercials for? And it's this flashlight. Okay, and the problem with this flashlight, and this is actually a pretty decent flashlight, besides one big Achilles heel, and that's this switch. So the whole problem with this flashlight is this stupid step switch. And what it's supposed to be is stage 1, stage 2, stage 3. Look at it, already it's malfunctioning. Stage 4 and stage 5, and then you go to off. And which is ridiculous. Why would you have a flashlight with all these stages when all you need is on and off? And they got a really cheap rotary in here that when you click this, it flips and goes to the next set of contacts. And actually, the first time I got this out of the package, this was already screwed up. And everyone I know with this same flashlight, this switch is giving them crap. So I got a really easy, quick solution. There's many videos on how to fix this, and I'll give you a really easy, quick, cheap solution that's permanent. And this cap is female, so make sure you get a female cap. These come in male or a female. And here's what I did. And this housing, of course, is aluminum. So I went and got a really cheap flashlight with the same end cap, female butt. That's the same size, like so. And this is a one position flashlight, so it's just on off, which is what I want to convert this to. So all I'm going to do, I'm going to put down the camera for a minute and switch these. All I'm going to do is switch in butts. Take that one off my new flashlight. Take the old problematic one and put that, thread it right on my flashlight I want to fix. Goes right on there, no problem. And now look what I got. Boom, on, off, and it's on the brightest setting already where I want it. On, off, no problem. Same aluminum material, same color. Fix is done. That's how you want to fix this as seen on TV flashlight. Get a good look at it. You know the light. You know the company. Why they couldn't put a decent switch on here, I have no idea. It is ridiculous. Everyone I know with this light's run into this problem. That's how to fix it. And by the way, this replacement, this other cheap flashlight, this was only a couple dollars. And you can get this at hardware stores. I got this off the internet off of, again, I can't say the name, off a very well-known large wholesale tool company. I'll give you a hint. It's where ships dock at / company, and you can get a good look at that's the flashlight. I got the end butt off of, and there you go. Done. Boom. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.